If you've ever thought that you can't buy a home in Tuscany on a very modest budget, this townhouse proves that you definitely can. Set in an idyllic location in the quiet town of Popiglio, surrounded by the green hills of Pistoia in lovely Tuscany, this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 110 square metre property is on the market for an incredible €35,000. While it needs some sprucing up, it's in habitable condition, and for terrace lovers like us, this one is an absolute dream. If you like houses like this that need a bit of attention, but aren't complete renovation projects, please keep an eye out for our new series, Cool Properties Need Some Love, launching in early November. A link to the original listing and realtor's contact information can be found in the description below.